This is the CN Tower in Toronto, and it gets struck by lightning about 75 times a year. Standing 553 meters tall, it was once the tallest freestanding structure on Earth. But it wasn't built for tourists. In the 1970s, Toronto skyscrapers were blocking TV and radio signals. So, engineers built something taller than everything else, with antennas at the very top. Because it's so tall, it acts like a giant lightning rod. On August 24, 2011, it was hit 52 times in just 84 minutes. One strike every 97 seconds. Visitors inside? They don't even notice. The tallest lightning rod in the Western Hemisphere. Would you stand inside during a lightning storm?